Hello friends. So this is a series of videos where we'll be talking about automated trading in the US markets. So this is a platform that is developed by SpeedBot. It enables traders to get their strategies, their bots automated, and they can backtest their strategies. They can forward test it in the live markets and they can execute it automatically in their brokerage accounts. So this is the platform that we are talking about. It's SpeedBot US. So in the series of videos, we'll be talking about each and every features of how you can use this platform to trade in the US markets. So in order to find this platform, you can just type it in the URL as us.speedbot.tech. So once you go over there, so you'll be seeing this particular platform in front of you. You need to sign up over here. So by default, I have the creds. So let me just sign in. So once I've signed in, I'll be able to see what all things that I can explore from my end. So let's say that if I'm a trader and I want to understand how I can translate my trading logic into a powerful bot that makes me analyze my strategy and gives me a detailed report of how well or how bad my strategy has performed. So on this particular platform, I'll be able to create my own equity bot. That is, if I have a strategy in maybe Tesla or maybe Nvidia, so I'll be able to create a bot in these stocks. And let's say that if I want to create a bot in option segment, so it could be for the SPX or for the QQQ options. So I'll be able to create the bot. Not only that, I'll be able to backtest it from my end and also test it in the live markets. So let us understand an overview of the platform. Let us walk you through of the platform features. So like I mentioned that over here, you can open the equity bot builder. So by default, you can just mention what kind of chart you'd like to have, what are the time frame. So if you are an intraday trader, if you are a positional trader, so you can define whatever time frame suits you as per your trading profile. So by default, the markets are selected as USA. So now let us just see what all symbols that we have over here. So currently we have around 800 stocks symbols in the US markets from different exchanges. So let's say that if I'd like to select Tesla, so over here, I'm able to see that Tesla Motors, or maybe if I were to select Nvidia, okay, so this is the Nvidia stock that I'll be able to select. So let me just, for example, for a quick overview, select one stock so that we can move on to the next page. Let me just rename it as Nvidia stock bot. I'll go on to the next page. So whether I'd like to go long or short in my trading bot, I can define that. Let's say that if I'm going for the long conditions, then I can add whatever indicators that I would like to have. So these are the indicators that we have. So all of them are the known indicators that we as traders are using. So this will be pretty handy for you guys. You can mention whatever the target or the stop loss or take profit or the stop levels you'd like to have in points and percentage. Apart from that, you can take the exit on the basis of the indicators as well. You can have multiple conditions in either or. All right. So this was for the equity segment that I mentioned. Now let us come to the option bot. Let's say that if you have some index or ETF based options on the basis of which you'd like to create a trading bot. So that is also something that is possible. let's say that if I were to create a trading bot for the QQQ options, so QQQ trading bot, I'll just name it like this. I'll just have the leg added, so whether I would like to buy the options on the basis of the ATM call or whether I'd like to short it. So it could be an option buying or option selling bot that I can create, whatever the entry time that needs to be defined. So let's say that by default I want to enter on every day at 9:35, so I'll be able to do that. So once I click on save and continue, then I'll be able to test it on the historical data. If I click over here like this and like this, my strategies report will be visible. Just a minute, let me just show you any one of the strategies report. Okay, so this is the one of the reports that I've able to show you. So for the $1,000 initial capital, the profit over here is like this. For the duration, I'll be able to check the historical trades as well, the entry time as well as the exit time. What is the annualized return, the drawdown, the maximum drawdown days, P&L summary like this. Other statistics, that what are the stats for the winning and the loss making trades. So this is a bot that I had created for the QQQ. Advanced statistics, what's my win rate, the Sharpe ratio, and other advanced metrics in order to help me assess how well or how bad my trading bot has performed. So this was about the analytical part. So once I have created the bot, tested it on the historical data, now I'll be able to forward test it in the live markets. That is the paper trading, I'll be able to do that, or I can go live with it in my Demat account. So how I can do that? I can either go over here, click on the go live button. I'll be able to do that. I can forward test it as well. Apart from that, let's say that I would like to add a broker, that is a live broker. I want to get this trading bot automated in my trading account. So what I can do, I can just go to the broker section. I can click on add new. So these are the list of brokers that we have. So for the US markets, we have interactive brokers, live and paper. For Tradier, we have live and paper like this. So if you have a broker that you'd like to get added, so you can just let us know. What you can do is you can just go over here, you can just open the option bot builder or the equity bot builder, and you'll be able to see the develop with experts button, and you can mention that I want to get my tasty trade, maybe for example account integrated like this. You can just submit it over here, or else you can upload any file if you'd like for us to refer to. So like this, we'll be able to receive your query and we'll be able to reach you out in that regards. Apart from that, let's say that if you're just starting out on how the automated trading works, how the bot takes the trade, so in that case we have some SpeedBot templates. So what does this templates mean? Let's say that if you are clicking on the build bot button, so these templates would have their logic open. You can just read over the literature over here like this. So this will make you understand in which market conditions the bot works. The entries, on what basis the entries and the exits are being done like this, the target and stop loss, and on which stock or which option the bot is running. So once you click on the build bot button, the same thing would be replicated under your name and you can tweak the parameters from your end like this. So this is something for traders who'd like to understand how the automated trading works. All right. And now coming on to the plans. So let me just make you understand what all plans that we have. So it starts from $8 a month. So that's our basic plan. And if you're going for the annual billing, it will cost you around $8 per month. And for monthly billing, it will be charging you around $15 a month. So you'll have one live bot, that is, you'll be able to deploy one automated bot in your trading account, 3 paper bots, that is, you'll be able to trade 3 paper trading bots, and on daily basis, you get 150 daily backtest credits. And once you move on to the upgraded plans, then you'll be able to see the upgraded bots as well as the backtest credits like this. So you can explore it from your side as per your usage. So this is a flat fee based plans that we have from our side. So this was basically the overview of the platform for automated trading in the US markets. So if you have any queries, you can just mention down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much.